Hello everyone, welcome to AI and more. It's yet another tutorial, and remember, this is your YouTube channel that changes AI tools into real creative power. Today we're going to be looking at how to get those hidden stems you extracted. Most of you guys, when you extract stems, remember they are not going to be shown here in your workspace, so you need to sometimes when you need to revisit them to see them or to use them, you don't see them, and most times you end up extracting more stems or regenerating another set of stems which will take or will eat your credits, and you need to use those credits for something else. So today we're going to see how to fix that or how to solve that. First of all, we're going to see how to extract stems. For this video, I'm going to pass through this very quickly because I had made a video of this earlier on. You can check. So this is a song I made. It's a gospel emotional, and let's have a listen of it and we see how it sounds like.
We see your glory rising strong. You are enough. You are enough. More than power, more than words. You are our hope.
Yeah.
Our living God.
So that's how the song sounds. It's called You Are Enough. I made it with Suno. I got the lyrics and prompts from ChatGPT. So let's extract the stems. 3 dots, get stems. There are these 12 separated instrument and vocal stems. This costs 50 credits. And if you just want instrument and vocal track, it only costs 10 credits. For this video, we're going to use the vocals and instrumental. Let us extract. Okay, and now our stems are ready. We have version 1 and we have version 2. Sometimes they go up to version 4. You can listen through them all and you see which version is the best for you to download. Let us have a listen to this and we see how it goes. Okay, let us mute the vocals. That is our instrumental, and let us mute the instrumental. And that is the vocal stem. Okay, sounds real nice. So if you want, you can download them all. If you want, you can download the vocals or the instrumental. That is how you extract stems. So in most cases, they will show you 4 new clips hidden by current filters. But when you open, maybe you are done with what you're doing today and you need to revisit the program tomorrow. When you open Suno, there won't be something like that. If you want to revisit the song, the stems, you want to use them, you want to download them and something like that, and you can't see them, just go back to the song which stems you extracted, for the song that you extracted stems from. Now for this video, we extract for this song. You come to the 3 dots, you again go to get stems. When you go to get stems, you will see, if you extracted the vocals and instrumental, you see extracted stems. If you extracted the 12, you will see here something related to this C extracted stems. So we'll come and click C extracted stems. That's how you will see or you find your extracted stems, and you can download them or you can use them whatever purpose you want to. That is it for today, guys. If you have any queries, any questions, and anything you want me to talk about in the next tutorial, please put it in the comment section. Remember to like, share this video, subscribe, and remember to advise where necessary. See you in the next video. Bye bye.